Okay, so this right here is a KF940C. It's compatible with Glock 19 or Glock 23, Generation 3. This is our standard production model. It comes with a textured grip, double undercut on the trigger, comes with an accelerator cut right here. These are the internals. It comes with a locking block, front slide rail module, as well as a steel rear slide rail module that wraps around the trigger housing. Really, the only thing you have to do is, comes with a jig and all the finishing tools, so you'd be milling off this section right here, this section right here, right inside, and making 3 pinhole drills. 1, 2, 3.